the workshop that you conduct, NLP certification, like, is it certified from which organization or which body? Can you give me some more idea?
Oh, yes, of course. In fact, to share this, I am a member and I'm a trainer member of the world's biggest and the most accredited, most renowned body called American Board of NLP.
Okay.
Right. So I certify with the body, with the brand called as ABNLP, American Board of Neuro-Linguistic Programming. So that's the number one in the world. So I'm associated with them as a trainer.
Okay, so people get
They get a certificate,
certified
that's
from
right.
ABNLP.
That's right. So which means it's a very, in fact, the globally standardized, recognized certificate. So that can also help them into their professional careers if need be.
Okay, wonderful.
Yes. And I also provide a manual, right? Like a 200 pages manual for them. At the same time, I keep providing with them some new videos of demonstrations, right? Where people can, after finishing the workshop, they can also watch some demonstrations for them to be able to recall and relearn and understand how should they be doing to continuing their practices in a better way.
In fact, Roy, you told about the various learning methodologies that you use. One thing I remember very vividly was you used a lot of videos. You have these video analysis.
Oh, yes.
In fact, one of the participants from Master Practitioner told me that when you were conducting this workshop in Goa, so one night you had this full video of probably a movie, and then you had a breakdown.
That's right.
What was NLP concept used in that movie or workshop?
But I think this is one of the other maybe in context to your USP question that I show lots and lots of video clips, movie clips, because that's the way we learn things faster. When we look at others applying that technique or the tool, and how have they got results. So it's easy for grasping the conceptual understanding. And I use a lot of it because I love to watch movies myself. And I think, when I watch it, it's not from the hobby sake only. It's also about I analyze movies. I learn a lot from movies. So that's another wonderful, I think, feature which people really find it entertaining, enjoyable, and learning.